I bought another Back-UPS because the last old one that I had broke down. I'm using it for switches, cameras and so on. So I needed one with outlets. It doesn't have display like the other one that I presented. It has something very interesting which I'm not sure if I will be using one USB-A port and one USB-C port for phone charging. Like I said last time, you have to be careful when you are choosing such a device, an UPS. You do not have 90 minutes if you have 520 watts of load. There is a nice calculator on their website which can bring you an estimation according to the load. So let's open it up and see what's inside. We have a cable, which is data cable to connect the UPS to your PC. Quality assurance test, which was on the other UPS that I bought, signed by somebody T. Most probably they are doing so many tests that it will be a waste of time to properly sign them. I always have doubts when buying UPSs because I see some scratches and so on, most probably due to the manipulation when they are doing the test. For sure it is brand new, but still. Okay, perfect. And also there is this warning here that the battery is not connected. So before removing this, we should turn it over and connect the battery. Okay. The battery is not fully connected. Since we've removed it, let's see what version we have here. Again, it's not written. You can see on their website what model it is. The battery is RBC17. The reason I was searching for UPS with RBC17 is because it has the same battery as my previous UPS, for which I already bought a new battery. So I have a spare battery in case I need it. Perfect, so now that the battery is connected, we have already a sign here that we are on battery. You can see here there are 4 dots. This button will stop the sound, which sometimes can be annoying, and if the power is off for a longer period, probably you won't like to have this continuous beeping. So that's why you have this button. We have here for charging 5 volts, 2.4 amperes. This means you can decently charge some device with it. I will try right now an iPad, which works, so no problems charging it. On this side we have DSL modem network / fax. This is in and this is out. And of course data port, which means you can use this cable to connect the UPS to your computer, and via this port you can see on PowerShot application or APC UPSD if it's Linux the status of the UPS. One important thing about this UPS is we have battery plus surge and surge. This means if you are connecting your devices to these 6 outlets, they will be powered by the battery when the power goes down. But if you are connecting some devices on these 2 outlets, they will go down immediately because they are not connected to battery. It's only surge protection. Okay, so we have arrived at the end of this video. I hope you found it interesting. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this UPS or the other UPS that I've presented, and see you in the next one.